Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the hardware ready. Plug the Lightning Digital AV adapter into your iPhone, then attach a quality HDMI cable. Once done, power on the YG300 and set its input to the HDMI port you'll use. This ensures it will accept the incoming signal. Make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS and that unnecessary wireless radios are off so the phone prioritizes the wired video output. Do this now so the next steps work predictably. Now connect the HDMI cable from the adapter to the YG300 HDMI port and plug the adapter into the iPhone's Lightning port. Once connected, the projector often detects the signal automatically. Make sure the cable seats fully because intermittent contact causes flicker. If the iPhone shows a pop-up asking to allow access or shows an external display notification, tap Allow or Trust. This authorizes video output. If nothing appears, reseat connectors and confirm the projector input matches the HDMI port you used. Finish by adjusting the projector's focus, keystone, and brightness while the iPhone is sending video. Rotate or enable screen mirroring in Control Center if orientation is wrong. If you don't see an image, power cycle the YG300 and the iPhone, then try a different HDMI cable or the adapter on another TV to isolate the problem. One key troubleshooting tip. A faulty Lightning Digital AV adapter is the most common failure. Testing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.